Welcome back to Once Upon a Tiny Farm. My name's Drew. In today's video, we are going to be taking a few of the chicks that we just hatched in one of our previous videos.
Welcome to the
I'll
world.
put a link to that if you missed that one.
Girl or boy?
But anyway, we're going to be moving those 2 chicks that we hatched along with 3 other chicks that we got at Tractor Supply. And they are about 3 weeks old now. And I'm going to be moving them out from their brooder into a chicken tractor. And what's different about this move is that I've never tried this before, but those 2 chicks that we hatched, their mother has been separated from my main flock and has been isolated in that chicken tractor that I'm going to put these baby chicks in because she had so many feathers plucked off of her from bullying from some of the other chickens. So she's been on her own for about a month in our chicken tractor. And I'm thinking, since this chicken, it's a black copper Moran, we named her Elvis for some reason because of the dark feathers. I don't know, my kids came up with the name. But anyway, she's the mother to the 2 black chicks. It's a mix of a Barred Rock and the black copper Moran mom. So I'm hoping that while this black copper Moran hen is still healing and growing back her feathers, she's almost all the way there, but not quite there yet, ready to go back into the main flock. So I'm hoping she'll be a good mom to these young 3-week-old hens. So we're gonna see how that works out today.
All right, you ready to go on a little trip, guys? I've left these guys out for the last 2 nights. Well, the night before I left them out until very late, and then I put them back in my shed under the heat lamp. But last night I left them out here without the heat lamp for the first time, and it got down to like 45 degrees, not super cold. They did fine. Most of them have their feathers. They're ready to go. So I'm gonna take these ladies out to meet their mom and see how receptive the mother black copper Moran will be to these baby chicks. This is one of the ones we hatched. I'm hoping it's not a rooster. It's very pretty, very dark. Let's see how you do with your mama. Do you want a friend there, Elvis? There's a friend for you. There's one. Now you want some more friends? Water. Get out of the way. Thirsty? Gonna give these guys a little buffet to ease the tensions in there, if there are any. They look a little skittish in there. I'm really hoping Elvis here is a good mom and doesn't pick on these little ones, but we'll see. There you go. There you go. Anybody want some food? Good. That's for all of you, not just for the mom. Don't be scared, guys. Girls? There you go. You gotta share with them, Mama. There you go. so far this is looking like it might be a success here. I mean, it's too early to tell, but Mama Hen, Mama Elvis has been by herself for quite a while, so my hope was that she would enjoy the company. And as a victim of some bullying from the older flock, I was hoping she wouldn't pass on any of those habits to bully the young ones. And haven't seen that yet, but I will keep an eye on this situation. And tonight I'm gonna come out and see how they all sleep tonight, because there is a little perch at the far end. This is a 4 foot wide by 8 foot long tractor. It's kind of on the end of its rope. I need to replace some of the tarps there, but they have some shelter back there, and there's a little perch for them to get up off the ground to sleep. So I'm curious, from what I've seen with my other chicks, when they first go out of the brooder into the coop or whatever, they usually sleep on the ground. I've noticed they don't get used to the perch until a little bit later, but we'll see. These guys all have girls all have their feathers. Actually, I'm not sure if the 2 black ones that I hatched are boy or girl yet. I'm hoping at least one of them's a hen, but we will see. But anyway, I'm gonna chalk this up as a success for now, but might have to come back to this in a few weeks, because I'm gonna keep them here together until these chicks start to grow up, get a little bit bigger, so they can fend for themselves in the main coop. And hopefully the bullying's not too bad, because I don't like the bullying, but there's nothing you can do about it. It's just something that animals do. There's a hierarchy, and there's always a top dog. So we'll see how that goes, but for now I'm gonna keep them all in here and hope that they grow well together. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you for watching. Hey, if you have any experience with mixing young baby chicks like this with an older hen, let me know about how that experience went for you in the comments below, because this is the first time for me, and just sharing what I learn as I learn it. All right, thank you all for watching. Appreciate it. Subscribe to our channel if you're new here. I'd really appreciate that too. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. You guys all sleeping in the corner.